one cannot put 03, must put 02. Right, 02 must put the auto one.
Okay.
And the others. The others just put phone line. The others must put phone line. Cannot all put like that. Cannot anyhow put because you cannot use all receiver. You use all three receivers, there will be trouble for all of them. Only receiver one only. The others don't put. Okay. The others default phone line. Okay. And 301 cannot put anything. Okay. 301. This one you cannot put the numbers here.
No number.
Why got number here?
Number.
Just the number not supposed to be put here. This one is to call out.
Okay.
Unless you connect phone line to the to the main panel. If you never connect phone line, you cannot put here. Wow, so many numbers. All you put.没有，因为他们不会用那个 SMS module， 它有一个 SMS module。Okay, then this one is 310. This one must put in the. This one is what number?
Yeah, they put temporarily the code 0805.
The system account number.
Account code.
080. Never mind. Actually, just need a number only.
Yeah,
it's okay. Must be the same lah.
Same venue.
Actually, if you have other partition, also partition 2, partition 3 also must put, but later lah, because haven't.
But different or same?
Same.
Yeah,
All put same number. What is 0805?
Yeah.
Why got so many number? You only one number. Okay, then the other one, this one. Opening closing must on. Yeah. Okay.
The opening closing every partition also need to enable.
No, this one is only for receiver. Never mind. This one is only receiver one.
All partition also must do.
Yeah, that's for under account number. Your account number must put 10 already.
Okay.
This one contact ID there?
No, put SIA better.
SIA better. Okay.
For this SMS, I'll put SIA better. Or else we'll have trouble. Okay, then 8382. This one must on. You know on cannot.
Yeah.
Okay. Here got right, 382 must on.
Yeah.
Or else you cannot go into the 851. And then F51 just follow 005. Why got 3? 3 no need. 4 and 6. Then 006. So 4, 5, 7, 8. Yeah, 203. So important also. So 1 and 3. 005 double check. 16. Okay, then your phone number 311. Put one number to test first.
Yeah.
Don't put all.
This one my number. Okay.
This one is whose number?
My
your
number.
Number. You got put how many number?
One only.
One only. Okay.
One
for testing, you just put one number first. Don't put too many. Or else you will send out too many SMS.
Already key one number only, but his number also message receiving.
What time?
Your number is another number.
Because first time we register his number.
Mm.
After I remove him, add my
Never,
number.
never, never. Wait. That's a 5 and 6 no need. Oh, 3 1 only has one. This one is your number, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay,
But
now
his-
because now should be okay. Because maybe because just now your 301 got put number. Okay, now after finish already, you must press restart. Do a restart. You will restart this module. Just wait a while. For it to stable. Must only have 2 green light.
Yeah, this one all